I'm really interested to know if you're watching this and you're in Tautira or in French Polynesia, or if we are related through John and Susanna Hunter. It has been wonderful to realise that my family history connects me both to French Polynesia and where I'm living now connects me through a maritime story. Tautira, French Polynesia, and Tautira, Basque country. My name's Jonathan and I have two connections to talk about between these two places. The first one is where I'm sitting. There is a plaza outside, and that's dedicated to a sailor called Bonacea, and he's actually buried in Tautira, not Tautira, where he's actually from. The other connection is that my family history is connected to French Polynesia through John and Susanna Hunter, who moved there and had many kids, and therefore I have lots of cousins in French Polynesia. I'm very interested in the languages of Reo Tahiti and Basque, and that's also why I make videos about the connections that we find as we go along in life. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.